villain deserves a starring role. So raise your glass. Come on, come on. To being misunderstood, to being magnificent, and to making every scene out. To you, class of 2025, and to every vida we've never outshined, walang kontrabida. Mali, sorry po. Walang vida kung walang vida.
Before we end the show, I cannot really go home and not pay tribute to one of the greatest kontrabida was all. And to me, she tops them all. Pinakamabutan ng kontrabida, none other than Miss Sheriff Hill. Michael Di Mesa, please come over, Michael. Say something. My greatest friend, and para sa akin ho, estudyante ng Miss Sheriff Hill. Napakahusay ho niya magbida, kontrabida, at napakahusay ho na tao. Magaling, mahusay makisama, at honest to the core. Ladies and gentlemen, the brother of Sheriff Hill, Mr. Michael Di Mesa.
She will definitely be part of this movie, for sure. But she has a special participation.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Director Chris wouldn't have done this movie without Cherie's kahit picture man lang. So, part siya ng Hall of Fame sa Kontrabida Academy. And thank you for that, Director. Thank you. The ultimate Kontrabida. I'm so proud to be Cherie's brother.
Let's enjoy the evening. Come on! Good evening. Come on! Our leading lady.
Nothing else to say.
Ito po, photo, picture. Look here, one. Okay.
Now playing on your Netflix. Direct Chris Martinez. We would like to call on stage.
Before we bring up the camera and glitter, we must capture this moment. One last iconic photo with Direct Chris Martinez and the cast of Contrabida Academy. Walang bida kung walang kontrabida. And now, bringing the beats, the drama, and make some noise for DJ Vera. Alright! Bibigyan natin ng award yung mga bida-bidang kontrabida graduates natin for tonight. Okay, so our first award is called the Villanista Award. Yan ang ibibigay natin for tonight, Villanista Award. So to the graduate whose entrance was louder than her footsteps and whose stare was sharper than her heels. Tagalogin na lang nila, no? Sila na bahala magtagalog dyan. Do we have the names of the winner sa ating first award? Ipapakilin tayo ng slide para makita natin